Hello everyone and welcome back to another ScoreCEO tutorial video. My name is Jasmine, your ScoreCEO expert, and on today's video we're going to be learning how you can create a refund invoice inside of ScoreCEO. So the first thing that we want to do is locate the refund section. So to do that, we're going to use this left side menu that we see here, and we're going to go all the way down to invoices. Now, any billing related task is always going to be in this section of invoices. This is why we're going into this area. Now we're going to talk about how you can issue a refund. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to locate the invoice that you are wanting to refund. So in this case, let's say that I want to refund Mary Scott for invoice 144010 of $290. I found it fairly quickly by just looking through the listing of clients that I have here, but you're more than welcome to use any of the filter or available options you have up here to make it easier for you to locate this person. So now that we have established which is the invoice that we want to refund, I am going to click the create refund button, and this is how you would start the refund process. We would click create issue refund. And then here we're going to either click the drop down menu to select the person's name. If you have many clients, then you could just start typing out their name. Then we're going to click the drop down menu and select the appropriate invoice. This is where it comes into importance, remembering that invoice number. Make sure you write it down or have it open in a different tab. In my case, I remember it was 144013. Sorry, it was this one here. And I'm just looking at it down here. That's how I realized. So it's that one. And then here we can type in a description. The description can be personalized to whatever happened that this refund is being applied for. And then we have to add in the amount that is due. Now in this case, I'm just going to refund the whole amount of $290. Once I am done, I just click create refund. What this will do, it will open up my refund invoice, and then this is where I can begin to process that refund. So this would be the last and final step. Here we're deciding where we want to refund that invoice. Since they already have a credit card on file in this example, that I am going to click refund, and then the funds will be applied back to that credit card that we have on record here. And that's basically how you can create a refund invoice for a customer and process a refund for them. Thank you for tuning in. If you do have any questions, feel free to use our support chat that's located in your portal at the bottom right hand corner, or you can always visit us at ScoreCEO.com, and our chat support also is available for you there. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you have any questions also, and we'll be gladly to answer them. Don't forget that hit that like and subscribe button, and thank you for tuning in, and see you on the next one.